Hello, Jean. Here is my feedback. The very first feedback is the size of the canvas. You've set the canvas size to 220 by 330. The canvas size needs to be 220 to 300. It says that on the link that was sent to you. It says that on the document that was sent to you. So please change the canvas size for all of the tall images to 220 by 300 and then re-export them into the Dropbox drive. So that's the first feedback. The second feedback is the items that are still missing. The items that are still missing are this one here, images and numbers, so this one, and this very last one, So that's the images number 2 and 3 that are missing, and 4 and 5, or 3 and 4 that are missing, and 4 and 5 that are missing are these ones. So you're still missing 6 images as well. That would be my second piece of feedback. So first piece of feedback is the dimension size on the canvas for the tall images. Second piece of feedback is the 6 images that are still missing. Feel free to pause the video to see exactly which ones I'm talking about, but it's those ones that I've highlighted in this video. The third piece of feedback, I'll go image by image. So this image here, again, when you adjust the canvas size, that should pull everything into frame, and I'm assuming that that's all that's going to be needed there, and that'll be okay. Again, generally for these images, I do like that you've added some shadowing there. Good shadowing is good. Shadowing is more depth, so please add some shadowing in here as well. Behind the owl and that. I also like that this is off-center and slightly tilted. That's good. Same thing here, off-center and slightly tilted. If you could off-center these and slightly tilt these, that would be great. The twins, I'm going to have you take these 2 twins, leave them up here, and then take these 2 boxing gloves and so erase this time sign and the boxing gloves and the equal sign and pull them down here. So the twins are going to be centered, pull them apart a little bit, and underneath the twins you're going to have boxing glove here, then times, and then boxing glove, and then equals. So the twins will be on their own up top, and then you'll have boxing glove times boxing glove equals. I'm going to do that. Be sure it's in the top half roughly. So make sure that the boxing glove times boxing glove equals is above the middle of this image. 5-star school should pull down when you adjust the canvas size. Same thing with the 6-star pine jungle. So that's fine. This roof, I want you to rotate it so that this side is pointing down, so it looks like a 7. So it looks like a sideways 7. So I want you to turn it counterclockwise by about 90 degrees, or clockwise by about 90 degrees. So this is going to move up here, and this is going to move down here. Great. That looks good. Nor in particular, again, that's missing. I think the only other thing for, let's try in here. Yeah, for in here, I want you to pull the tree. I want you to either go back to the Photoshop document and see if the rest of the tree is there and add the rest of the tree, or push this tree up so that we don't see this line at the end of the tree. So it's okay if you push the tree up. Maybe you could fill out the rest of the tree. I feel like if you move the tree over, it's going to be too far to the left. If you push the tree up, we're missing that one, that knot at the end of the one. So maybe you could fill out the rest of the tree with something that at this zoomed out range would look okay. So that would be my feedback for that wide angle shot. And other than that, I don't have any wide angle feedback. Let me just get in here. If you could take these, not the number bar, that's as big as it's going to get, but take these and blow them up so that they're a little bit larger, that would be good. So that'll take care of that. And I think these are fine. That's fine. But again, for this one, maybe twist them, like make them, turn them a bit, and so that they're kind of like the big basket in the tree. The 5-star school, 6-fine jungle is fine as it is. And the 8 is fine as it is. Great, so that's my feedback. Please slow the video down and take your time and submit or take that into account and submit the feedback. Thank you very much, Sean. Thank you.